Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Outlook app and ensuring it's signed into the account you intend to add or verify. This makes the QR action apply to the right profile. Once done, make sure Outlook has camera permission in your phone settings so scanning works seamlessly. Now locate the QR code on the other device or print out and position your phone nearby. This first step removes permission roadblocks and prepares the app to detect the QR code quickly, saving time when you actually scan. Next, navigate to the area in Outlook that handles account actions or verification. Often you tap your profile icon, then look for a scanner or scan QR code option. Once selected, the app will open a camera view. Align the QR code inside the frame and keep your hand steady. Make sure the code fills most of the frame and avoid glare. This improves detection speed. The app will parse the code and show a confirmation prompt. Read it to know what action will occur before you accept. Finally, when Outlook parses the QR, it will display details. Review these and tap Confirm or Add to complete the process. This final approval ensures you control the change. If the scanner can't read the code, clean the camera lens, increase ambient light, or temporarily disable screen protectors that cause glare, then retry. If failures persist, close and reopen Outlook or use any provided manual entry option shown on the prompt. This fallback ensures you can complete the same task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.